Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Mommy. Here's what we're going to make, a mango float. And here's the ingredients. Mangoes, 4 mangoes, but you can use any more. And vanilla.
Yeah, where's the vanilla?
Right there.
You have to show it.
Right.
Okay, that's a teaspoon.
But that don't smell good. It smells like medicine. Here's sweetened coconut milk. And
You have to show it.
right here. Longer.
Okay.
And table cream.
What is it?
Table cream.
Table. Nestle cream. Table cream. Okay.
And for the mango float, honey made.
Honey made what? What is it?
Honey made. Honey.
A graham cracker.
Yep, it's a graham cracker.
Okay, so what will we do with the mango?
Slice them,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't want to slice it.
Okay.
Oh, maybe with a tiny knife. A tiny one. Let me
Okay.
get the tiny knife.
Okay, guys, we have to slice mangoes first, and then we'll be right back.
Now we can put the condensed milk in the bowl of creamy.
Be careful. Don't.
Oh, it's so cute.
Can you scrape the inside?
I'm waiting till
Scrape the inside. You want me to do it?
no. Ah, it's stuck. It's stuck. Can I drink some, Mom?
No.
I wanted to lick some.
Okay, that's enough now.
Now the cream. Now the cream, Mommy.
Yeah.
Now the cream. I made a mess.
Don't play, Alicia. Don't play.
Just pouring it. Now mix it.
Let me have it. And then put the vanilla.
Oh, the vanilla. Ooh. You'll make a little bit. And then the last part will be tasty. It kind of blends into the milk. Condensed milk and cream. If you don't have any, you can use regular milk.
No, you gotta have Nestle cream and the condensed milk. And now we're gonna.
No, it's table cream.
Okay.
Now we're going to line these ones in. That's not working, Mom. This one broke. I'm going to eat it.
Okay.
I can't do it. Done. But I don't know how to do it.
Okay, and then we'll put the cream first.
It's really good. Okay, can I do it?
No, because you have to. Can you hold that one? Okay, and then put the mango. You want to put the mango?
No, I don't like it. This one is a complete fail. Somewhere I have this.
What's that one?
Hmm.
What is it?
Mango.
Okay, come on. Okay. And put more of that.
All of it?
No, this.
So the cream will settle down.
Mm-hmm.
Like this, Mom?
Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna pour again.
What? And then put another one?
Yeah.
Put some mango on it?
Yeah,
again?
just the same thing over
What?
and over.
Over and over and over
Yes.
and over?
Okay.
Ah,
Can you hold it?
I was just enjoying. Same thing over and over and over and over and over.
Okay, put more.
Mango Tom. Mango Tom. Mango Tom. Mango time. It's mango time today. Is it weird? Mango time, get it? Mango time? That's my structure.
Could you put it nicely, please?
I don't know how.
It's alright. It's alright.
No, it's not. Anyway, that's a lot better.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, then layer it again with the graham cracker.
And over and over and over and over and over. Now over and over. I'm just doing this. I'm trying to concentrate here.
Okay, and then now we're gonna pour
Some more.
cream again.
And then wait till it cooks.
Could
I do not know why it is. We're about out of cream, see?
yeah, we don't have enough.
Now I have to spread it. But I wish I could still look her. Does anybody think my dog is adorable? She's adorable! Dang, so adorable. I can't breathe because she's so killing my heart. That meant she's so cute. Oh.
We don't have enough cream, so I'll just do it like this. It'll work.
It says table cream. It is table cream. And don't forget to subscribe this channel.
Okay,
That's it.
that's it, and then we'll put that in the fridge, and we'll see what tomorrow brings to this recipe.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
Yummy! It's good. I already said that. Bye, guys.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.